with dicing our chicken. I got 2 pounds of chicken out from the freezer the other day, so I thought Chinese takeout sounded so good. Now we're gonna make our coating. I do 2 eggs with some milk. Get a Ziploc bag of 2 cups flour to 1 cup cornstarch. This makes it very crispy. That is the secret to crispy fried chicken. Next up, our sweet and spicy secret sauce. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, half a cup of honey. I use Sunny Hive Orchards. I'll post the link. 1/4 cup of soy sauce, about 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. You can use any other vinegar if you do not have rice vinegar. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, a couple shakes of chili flakes, and then you whisk it up. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to thicken the sauce. This smells so good. I can't wait for you to try it. All right, let's heat up our oil. Getting ready for the fried chicken. Always get a paper towel and plate ready for me to put the chicken that's done there. All right, let's do our side dishes. Rice and broccoli side dish prep. 2 cups rice to 3 cups of chicken broth. And then I'm gonna dice up this fresh broccoli and place it into my steamer for about 15 minutes. Now the oil is heated up, so I'm gonna add my chicken. You want your crispy chicken to be a golden yellow color. I use a sifter because it's way easier in this oil, but let's take it out. It's ready. Place it on your paper towel so it can soak up the grease. With 2 pounds of chicken, I have another batch going, so I'm gonna do this batch too. Crispy chicken. Perfect. Looks just like takeout. Set all that on a paper towel next to you. Get the oil out of the way. Get a new pan. Let's pour our sauce in and simmer until it thickens. You're gonna want all that extra liquid just evaporating out of there, and it's gonna make a very yummy sauce. It's gonna be a golden amber color, and it's gonna be a little thickened when it's ready, and then you just pour your chicken in and toss it all up in that sauce. Next, my favorite part is adding the sesame toppings. These are just white sesame seeds. Doesn't this look just like you got it at a takeout? Look at that. I hope you try this. I really haven't bought it since making this recipe. It is so yummy. I hope you guys try it. Let me know in the comments. If you love making things at home and trying to save money, ways to stay home so you don't have to go anywhere, then subscribe to me. I'd love to be friends. I hope you enjoy this meal. Bye.